Wow, this is just unbelievable. We're only at the beginning of this bull run and already it's coming to a close. Fair, but what you are about to learn next will actually open your eyes. Nobody is paying attention to it now, and you might be the first one to take action. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer, the crypto market keeps booming and Shiba Inu enthusiasts seem particularly excited about the developments in Bitcoin ETFs. According to Eric Balunis from Bloomberg, Bitcoin ETFs are having an outstanding year. After a brief dip in June, the market rebounded strongly just yesterday. Daily investments soared to $300 million, pushing the weekly total to an impressive $11 billion. This surge has brought the year-to-date investment in Bitcoin ETFs to $16 billion, far surpassing the initial projections of $12 to $5 billion for the entire year. And Balunis also discussed exchange-traded funds ETFs, speculating that they may draw about 20% of the investment witnessed with Bitcoin ETFs. This indicates that the record-breaking increase in Bitcoin ETFs is likely to be sustained by the favorable trend in the crypto ETF market. Investment shows that more people are getting interested in cryptocurrency. ETFs offer a familiar and regulated way to invest in the crypto market without the hassle of buying and holding the assets themselves. If Ethereum ETFs become available, it will likely make it easier for more investors to get involved in this rapidly evolving asset class. This trend might mirror what we're seeing with Bitcoin, since altcoins often move in sync with the main cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Any significant developments in Bitcoin ETFs can have a ripple effect across the market as investors gain confidence and see the potential in these new financial products. Their interest in other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum naturally increases. The interconnected nature of the crypto market means that positive momentum in one area can lead to growth and investment in others, driving the entire sector forward. This seems to be exactly what's happening with the recent Shiba Inu announcement. The trading volume of Shiba Inu has increased by a whopping 151% after it broke a critical hedge. The Shiba Inu is seeing a meteoric rise in its metrics as many digital currencies attempt a comeback. The recent build-up in the value of Shiba Inu is not unexpected, considering the overall uptrend in major cryptocurrencies. When digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum gain momentum, they tend to attract other digital currencies as well. Conversely, when investors see positive movements in leading cryptocurrencies, their confidence tends to spill over into other assets like Shiba Inu. This interconnected dynamic helps as confidence and investment in leading coins foster an atmosphere where altcoins can flourish, drive expansion in the crypto market. The price increase of Shiba Inu has had a major impact on other key variables. One notable aspect is the trade volume, jumping from over $700 million to approximately 160% in under 24 hours. The current climate of the Shiba Inu habitat is optimistic, which has contributed to its impressive 7-day growth. Decline by 18%. Data from the block also indicates that major investors or huge transactions from whales have had an impact. Whale transactions have increased by over 95% in the past 24 hours, with over $35 million traded overnight. These movements indicate that Shiba Inu could be attempting to break a key price barrier after languishing below the 42 mark for more than a month. The token could soon surpass this level. The future price of Shiba Inu could be significantly affected by such massive whale activity. When huge investors, known as whales, buy an asset, it usually means they're confident in it and want other investors to do the same. This can lead to a positive feedback loop where the price goes up. Shiba Inu for potential long-term growth, moving closer to its ambitious price goals, and now people are saying this might finally be the beginning of altcoin season. A tweet from Steepius Crypto shows a chart representing altcoin dominance excluding Bitcoin and the top 10 altcoins according to the chart. Altcoin dominance is confirming the bull run highs of 2017 as new support levels. Right now is considered the best time to buy altcoins, with many preparing for the biggest alt season ever seen. This is something everyone should be paying attention to. As altcoin dominance increases, it signals a shift in the market where more investment flows into these smaller cryptocurrencies. This can lead to significant price increases and opportunities for substantial return. As the market enters a new and exciting phase, investors seeking diversification opportunities should closely monitor these changes and think about the potential rise of different altcoins. However, today, crack emerged, spoiling the party. For those who may have forgotten, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange has acquired Bitcoin valued at more than $3.1 billion from the now-defunct MTG exchange. After a devastating hack caused hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin to disappear from MTG, the largest Bitcoin exchange in the world, in 2014, the exchange collapsed. Kraken was selected as one of the recovery efforts to distribute these Bitcoins to MTG creditors. Kraken has now acknowledged receiving the Bitcoin and promised to begin repayments within the next 7 to 14 days. This news has sent shockwaves through the crypto community, and a growing sense of panic has set in as people fear another massive sell-off of Bitcoin. Last month, Germany sold off their Bitcoin, which caused a market crisis and brought down the entire crypto industry. Everyone is still thinking about it. What's even crazier is that the amount of Bitcoin Kraken now holds is roughly equivalent to the amount Germany had a month ago, around $3 billion. This is a big deal because it suggests that if these creditors decide to sell their Bitcoins quickly, we could see another market crash, maybe even multiple. The fear is real and spreading as everyone braces for what might come next. It feels incredibly unfair that this is happening just as we finally survived Germany's massive dump that dragged the entire crypto space down for over a month. We just started to see some light at the end of the tunnel, and now this news hits us. People are understandably getting sad and frustrated after enduring such a prolonged market slump. There was a sense of relief and hope that things were turning around, and now with the looming threat of another huge sell-off from Kraken's Bitcoin holdings, the fear of going through another market crash is disheartening. It's like we just got back on our feet only to face another punch that could knock us down again. Optimists in the crypto community are attempting to reassure the public despite the concerns. One ex-user pointed out that in the span of a week, we went from being overexposed to crypto to being underexposed. The industry never fails to surprise us. I'm also interested in how the market is responding to the movement of MTG coins. It doesn't appear that we will witness similar price action compared to Germany's government selling, showing high demand since 2023. The price of Bitcoin has risen 350%, with MTG's FUD being an overestimation of market cap increase compared to realized cap growth. Even if MTG's $3 billion is sold on Kraken, it's just 1% of the realized cap increase in this bull cycle manageable liquidity. And while yes, this might be true, the market might have the strength to absorb the sell-off, and the numbers do suggest a robust demand, but it doesn't cancel out the panic spreading through the community. Sometimes panic is more powerful than calculations and data. When people are afraid, they react emotionally, not rationally. Fear can drive sell-offs and market volatility regardless of what the numbers say. It's this emotional reaction that's causing the anxiety right now. No matter how strong the market might be on paper, the human element of fear and uncertainty can still lead to significant impacts. But what is your opinion on that? In case you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to watch one of the videos on the screen. Otherwise, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Help me out with YouTube's algorithm by giving the video a like and leaving a comment if you liked it. I'd also appreciate it if you could share the video with as many people as you can. Let's spread the word.